Hello guys, I'm back guys. So without further ado, let's start now for midterm activity lab 2. So ngayon, kita natin dito is a new file na pangalang registration form. So let's start again. Oops. This one, kita natin to boss. Yan, yung part na yan is a validation rules. Ang ginagawa nito is yung ginagawa ng validate username. This is a simple rule. It checks if the name has 3 or more characters. 3 or more characters. Okay, kung yung characters niya is, kunyari, kunyari is Alvin. So, yung Alvin natin has 5 letters, characters. Okay? Ayun yun. Length. Ayun kasi yung length. Binabasa niya yung haba ng ating input, yung username. Okay? So, dito naman sa validate passwords, ginagawa nito, this acts as a security guard with a checklist. It uses the any function. Asa na yung any function? I forgot. Ito, this one. Any function. Function to scan a password character by character. Meaning, character. Meaning, character by character. So, kaya yung Alvin, kine-check niya yung A ng different, different. Kasi, ginagawa na ito kasi ang ano dito, itinakita natin is lower. Kine-check niya kung nakikita niya kung may small letter ba, character by character. Kine-check niya. Meaning, let's say is Alvin. Yung A halos is lahat is capital maliban lang sa A. So, chine-check niya kung doon sa character na yon, doon sa in-input nating pangalan or password, tinitignan kung may lowercase ba. Okay? Tapos, dito naman, ganun din, sa is supper, kung may capital, dito naman, is may digital or numbers, dito naman is special characters. Okay, chine-check niya. Okay, for next one is here. This one, full name, this one. This is the basic setup and validating input. Ginagawa nito is infinite loop for basics. Okay, basics. So, this while loop will run forever until the user provide correct input. Okay. Kita na natin yan, ha. Nagamit siya yan. Okay. Oops, forgot. That strip removes the function yan is removes spaces. If the user just hits spacebar, then enter the code, treats it as empty. Okay, for user type, it forces the user to type exactly admin or user. Next naman, this part. This part is the three-strike logic. So, yung attempts to. Dito naman yung attempts. Kasi 3-strike logic. 3 strikes. Yung attempt to, 3 beses ka mag-i-input. Kung mali, yan. Ang ginagawa nito, okay? Let's say natin. Gagawin na ito. May counter tayo, guys. May counter dyan is it sets the ito, counter. Max. Ito yun, counter. It sets a limit and starts a counter at 0. Ito, ginamit natin tong max attempts pang count. The loop, ito nagpumpa tayo ng while. It runs as long as attempts are less than 3. Yung break naman, if the user gets it right, the loop stops immediately and we move on. The else, ito yung else natin. If they get it wrong, we add 1 to the counter. Tapos, if the counter hits 0, if the counter hits 3, the loops end. But the username underscore value remains false. Mali. Okay? Yung pag na-hit yung lahat, pag wala ng attempts, magbabalid siya. False. Okay, false. Okay, okay naman. Next is this one. I think this one. Okay, this one. Nested logic. Nested logic. Then is sana yun? Tama ba? Okay, if else. Gatekeeper yan ha. This is crucial if else block. The program only asks for the password if the username is successfully created. Ayun, else. 2 minutes, too many invalid user attempts. Account creation failed. Okay? Crucial to ha. Crucial. Yung if else. Block. If the user failed the username 3 times, the program skip the password section entirely and prints creation failed. Ito pala yan, this one. Okay. Ito naman, that's the last. Fine, ito naman. Ito naman is final success message. Ginagawa na ito is this code only runs if the user survive both username loop and the password loop. Then display the registered information. Kita na natin. Okay. Let's try to run it. Full name daw. John Alvin Femia. User type, let's say admin. I don't know, no? Okay, admin na lang. Sige. Username, Alvin. Password. Okay, meron kasi ano natin to. Sabi, different characters. So, let's say, at Alvin. Okay. At Alvin. Enter. Okay, the password must be least 8 characters long. So, meron pa akong isang attempt. So, let's say, Alvin. Apat na yan. 6. 7. 8. Siyam na yan. Okay, successfully. Okay, tama siya, di ba? Ulitin natin. Let's say, Alvin ulit. Pag-clear na lang natin. Alvin na lang. User. sabihin natin Apo. Hindi, Vin na lang, Vin. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sabihin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayun na, sabi niya. Password must contain at least 1 lowercase. Okay, sabihin natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The password must contain this one. Iwala na ito yung attempts. Too many invalid password attempts. So, tama lang siya. Okay? That's all for the tutorial video. Thanks guys for watching. Kung may mga mali akong nasabi or mali akong nagawa sa inyo, just let me know. It's free to correct me. Okay? I'm not a genius or expert. Just an student student teaching. Okay? A Python code at as best as he can. Okay? Thank you guys for watching.